for today's video, maglalaro tayo ng Q&A tungkol sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas!
Unang tanong, sino ang unang Pangulo ng Pilipinas? I repeat the question. Sino ang unang Pangulo ng Pilipinas? 5, 4,
Gloria!
wrong.
Sino nga?
Okay, Wency, sino ang unang Pangulo ng Pilipinas?
Sino ba yan? Si Manuel?
Kailangan ko ng buong sagot.
Manuel L. Quezon?
No?
Hindi lang.
Sino ang unang Pangulo ng Pilipinas?
Ano ba? Hindi ko alam.
5, 4, 3,
Gloria!
wrong. The correct answer is Emilio Aguinaldo. Second question.
Ate, wag mahirap.
Ano ang pinakamatandang universidad sa Pilipinas? I repeat the question. Ano ang pinakamatandang universidad sa Pilipinas? 5, 4, 3, 2,
Ala.
1. What's your answer?
Oh, no. Answer. Ala.
Ano ang pinakamatandang universidad sa Pilipinas?
UST?
Gusto ko na kumpletong at buong sagot.
Hindi ko alam kung pa.
So ito ang tanong. Ano ang pinakamatandang universidad sa Pilipinas?
Hindi ko talaga.
Hindi ko alam nakita.
The correct answer is University of Santo Tomas.
O, tama ako dun, UST.
Okay, next question.
Ay, naglalaro
Ano
ng mga
ang
bobo.
pinakamatandang lungsod sa Pilipinas?
Matandang lungsod?
5, 4, 3,
Manila!
wrong.
Manila. Matandang lungsod.
Ano ang pinakamatandang lungsod sa Pilipinas? 5, 4, 3,
Davao?
wrong.
Lindang?
Ano ang pinakamatandang lungsod sa Pilipinas? 5, 4, 3, 2. The correct answer is Cebu. Cebu ang pinakamatandang lungsod sa Pilipinas.
Uy, kumulati!
Oh, yes!
Okay, next question. Saang haring Espanyol kinuha ang pangalan ng Pilipinas? I repeat the question. Saang haring Espanyol kinuha ang pangalan ng Pilipinas? 5, 4,
Spanish.
wrong.
Ano yun?
Oh.
Saang haring Espanyol kinuha ang pangalan ng Pilipinas? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hindi ko alam yun eh. Ano yun? Wala ko na nakita.
Saang haring Espanyol kinuha ang pangalan ng Pilipinas? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Haring Philip II ng Spain.
Ano naman yun? Ang lagi naman
Taas!
ang mo.
Ang taas!
Where is Mayon volcano located? Where is Mayon volcano located? Saan matatagpuan ang bulkang Mayon?
Locos?
Wrong.
Ano ba yan?
Saan matatagpuan ang bulkang Mayon?
Tagaytay?
Wrong. Saan matatagpuan ang bulkang Mayon?
Batangas.
Wrong. The correct answer is Legazpi City, Albay. Okay, next question. Ano ang pinakamataas na bundok sa Pilipinas? Ano
Volcano Taal.
ano ang pinakamataas na bundok sa Pilipinas?
Volcano Taal. Sa
No?
Taal? Volcano.
Wrong.
Ang volcano.
In English, what is the highest mountain in the Philippines?
Mount Everest.
Wrong. What is the highest mountain in the Philippines?
Taal.
Answer is Mount Apo.
Mount
Sino ang pinakaunang babaeng Pilipina na nanalo bilang Miss Universe? Sino ang Pilipinang nanalo? Pinakaunang Pilipinang nanalo sa Miss Universe.
Nasa utak ko. Sino yun?
In English,
Nasa utak ko.
who was the first Filipina crowned as Miss Universe?
Uy, ganun ako.
Okay, Wency. Who was the first Filipina crowned as Miss Universe?
Gloria Diaz.
Yeah! Okay.
Ay,
Next.
forward.
What is the country's national sport? Ano ang national sport ng Pilipinas?
Basketball.
Wrong? Uy, nice.
Ay, ano?
What is the country's national sport? 5.
Basketball?
Wrong?
Oh my God.
Alam ko.
Parang,
Sepa.
Wrong. The correct answer is Arnis.
Ano ba?
How many countries colonized and invaded the Philippines? How many countries colonized and invaded the Philippines?
3?
Correct.
Tama.
Nakachamba. Okay. Eto, napakadaling question ito for Miles.
Mali.
Who is the country's national hero?
Oh, di ba?
Sino ang ating national hero?
Jose
Kompleto.
Rizal.
Kulang?
Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal ang alam ko.
Kulang. Sino ang ating national hero?
Dr. Jose Rizal po.
Dr. Jose Rizal is correct.
Jose Rizal. Wow.
Okay. What does the acronym KKK stand for in the Philippines? What does the acronym KKK stand for in the Philippines?
Nasa dila. Ano naman yun?
5, 4, 3.
Taas-taasan, kagalang-galangan, katipunan.
Kulang pa? Kulang pa? You're almost there. You're almost there.
Taas-taasan, kagalang-galangan, katipunan ng bansang Pilipinas.
No? Malapit ka na. Ano? Okay, next. What does the acronym KKK stand for in the Philippines?
Kataas-taasan, kagalang-galangan, katipunan ng mga mga tao.
Wrong. Nancy.
Alam ko yan. Kalbo kinis kinawa.
The correct answer is kataas-taasan, kagalang-galangan, katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan.
Mga tao.
Next question. Where is the Christmas capital of the Philippines?
Ay, madali lang yun.
I repeat the question. Where is the Christmas capital of the Philippines?
Pampanga.
Yes, saan ito sa Pampanga? Kailangan ko ng kompletong sagot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next. Where is the Christmas capital of the Philippines?
Pampanga.
Saan sa Pampanga?
York.
Wrong.
Saklan! Ano? San Fernando?
Kompleto.
Pampanga, San Fernando City.
The correct answer is San Fernando City, Pampanga.
Oh, balik na naman.
Okay, next. What fruit is Guimaras known for? What fruit is Guimaras known for?
Manga.
Yes! Mango is the correct answer. Okay, next. What is or what are the official language in the country? What is or what are the official language in the country?
English.
Yes? What are those?
English, Filipino, Tagalog.
Yes,
Filipino,
correct.
Tagalog.
The correct answer is Filipino and English.
Okay. Galing.
Okay, next question. What does NCR mean? What does NCR mean? 5, 4, 3.
National Capital Region.
Correct.
Capital Region.
Okay, next question. When does the Philippines celebrate its Independence Day?
When daw?
When?
When? So, 12?
No, kulang.
No.
Next. When does the Philippines celebrate its Independence Day?
June 12?
Correct.
Okay, nasali nung namin 12. Gang.
Okay. Who is known to be the grandmother of the Philippine Revolution? Who is known to be the grandmother of the Philippine Revolution?
Melchora Aquino.
Correct.
Ay, nakaw, sana all.
Next question. In the Philippine flag, what did the 3 stars originally signify?
No. Sun.
Wrong. Next. In the Philippine flag, what did the 3 stars originally signify?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Oh, ano?
Okay, next question. I'll repeat the question. In the Philippine flag, what did the 3 stars originally signify?
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Correct.
Hindi kasi ako taga-Pilipinas.
Okay, next. Okay. What is the country's national flower?
Sapagita.
Correct. What are the 3 major islands in the Philippines? What are the 3?
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Correct. Next question. Who is the person pictured on the 200 peso bill?
Ayun na!
Ay.
Who is the person pictured on the 200 peso bill?
Diosdado Mahapagal.
Correct.
Mapera to, alam na alam.
Okay, here's the question. What are the provinces included in the Mimaropa region? What are the provinces included in the Mimaropa region?
Hindi ko maano, mabigat-bigat sa pula ko.
Okay. What are the provinces included in the Mimaropa region? Next.
Dito next.
What are the provinces included in the Mimaropa region?
Marindoque.
Yes? Ano pa yung dalawa?
Romblon. Palawan.
Correct. The correct answer is Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan. Okay, next.
Wala
Ay.
na.
Where is the summer capital of the Philippines?
Summer?
Summer capital of the Philippines.
Baguio.
Correct.
Wow.
Next question. How many major languages do the Philippines have?
8?
Correct. Who was the first prime minister of the Philippines?
Apolinario Mabini.
Correct.
Lumalaban?
As of 2023, how many female presidents has the country had?
Patay. 2?
Yes, the correct answer is 2. Corazon Aquino and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Corazon Aquino.
Okay. What is the largest lake in the country? What is the largest lake in the country?
Hindi ko alam.
What is the largest? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano?
What is the largest lake in the country?
Wala. Patay.
Okay, the correct answer is Laguna de Bay.
Oh, binubulong po sa'yo eh.
Okay, next question. Who is the Filipino hero known for winning the Battle of Mactan? Again, I'll repeat the question. Who is the Filipino hero known for winning the Battle of Mactan?
Lapu-Lapu, Magellan.
Correct.
Ah?
Lapu-Lapu is the correct answer. Okay. What is the most popular means of public transportation in the Philippines?
Manila.
Wrong. Okay, here's the question. I will repeat the question. What is the most popular means of public transportation in the Philippines? Next. What is the most popular means of public transportation in the Philippines?
Sagot.
5, 4,
Hindi ko alam yun.
3, 2, 1. The correct answer is jeepney.
jeepney.
Thank you na.
Guys, hanggang dito na lang ang video na ito and thanks for watching and don't forget, like and follow and share and huwag kakalimutan mag-comment sa katagasaan ka para alam namin kung saan umabot ang video na ito.
Yeah!